Hello, this is Filter Media Africa, and I'm Jabali Odawa Anadawa. In this episode, we are taking a dissection on the phenomenon of Mother Nature. Mother Nature, you are indeed a powerhouse of dynamics. Mother Nature, you are versatile in nature. You make me go ow with your exquisite facets of beauty. You are beyond comprehension. Your precious emerald is exceedingly bright in its illumination. Mother Nature, it's undisputed fact that you are positioned majestically at the top of the supremacy pyramid. Mother Nature, I am a worried man. I have been pondering about other aspects of yours which aren't pleasing, your attributes which aren't palatable, your traits that sends chills down my spine. You are harsh, toxic, carcinogenic, and pain-inflicting side. Why do you sometimes just become volatile, making a radical shift from a breeze serenity to the unforgiving high cyclone, from the status quo stable ground of production and sustenance to earth tremors and earthquakes, from your nourishing tug of food basket to famine, leaving us in a malnourished and lethargic state, from your state as a coolant agent to an inferno hot furnace, draining us with dehydration. Indeed, you can sometimes become unpredictable. But what is the way forward for us with this Mother Nature's volatility in mind? We are supposed to make a paradigm shift from being reactive to proactive, setting up measures that will cushion us during calamities and disasters, creating models for projection that will guide us on the path that a trajectory is going to take. Move from victim mentality to solution providers. Folks, I'm glad, I'm humbled by your association, by the company that you give us as Filter Media Africa. And for those who aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, Filter Media Africa, I beseech you to subscribe, then hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload content. Until next time, I'm yours truly, Jabali Odawa Anadawa. Bye-bye.